You guys came back for another video. Well, today I'm going to talk about EdgeMicro 4.1, and one of the features I really wanted that I use a lot of, Ipsec Tunnel, and they added it. Now 4.1 is only a beta, but I'm going to show you guys how to add a Ipsec Tunnel VPN to my network and how to configure it and test it out. I also want to thank Brad from Shiny Tech Things for showing me how to, or showing the rest of the world, how to do a speed test throughput over a network. So you can install that on your computer. I'll link that down below. Thanks, Brad. And I'm going to install that and show you guys the throughput through the tunnel to show you guys that it's up. And we're going to do a remote desktop session. So I'm going to jump into my drink here. And you're going to go and like and subscribe the video. And then we're going to start building this tunnel. Watch. We're going to log into both of them. The lab firewall, which is the W8 behind me here. And then at my office, we have an IP address that changes every time you plug a device in there. So I thought, perfect opportunity to stick the E6 with 4.1 installed on there to the office. So let's log into it and set up an IpSec tunnel. First thing we need to do is 2.168.8.1. We need to log into the local one. And we'll move this one over here so we have two screens. And then this one, we'll log into the other one. Tangle.com/cmd. And we'll log in with Jason at jasonslab. There we go. So let's put in my 2FA code. Okay, so now we're logged in. Let's go to our firewall. This is what the best feature I like about Untangle is. You don't have to have port forwarding open to get into your firewall. We'll go remote access, admin, never. Let's create a notepad document here. So notepad. Let's create a key first because we're going to need that. So we'll use this for our password for our key because we're going to need that. So let's go to each of them. We'll go to config. Oh, sorry. Apps. IpSec. IpSec tunnels. We'll go open. So let's walk through this step for step. So in 4.1, we go to settings, interfaces, add an interface. And look at that, IpSec Tunnel. Love it. So we're going to call this to home lab, any WAN, the gateway. This all looks remote gateway. What's our remote gateway? So we got to use 61 here. And then what's the IP address of this one? So it should say what my IP address is. 206. So I'm going to copy that because I forgot to write that down, my bad. So remote host, IP address of the gateway here, and then the same one goes into the second one here, remote host. Okay, so we got that done. Now let's do that on here. To home, oh, I think it's because we have a space. To lab, what this? Lab. Authentication. There's our shared secret. So let's put our shared secret in both sides. Here. And we'll go over here. Shared secret. Now the remote network on the other side, we already know what it is because I saw it. 192.168.1.0/24 network. It's just a basic network. Nothing special. I just set it up. And let's see, what else do we have? Bridge to any WAN. Cipher suits. So this one got me when I was looking at this, and it was a little bit tricky. So we got to pay attention to this. So we got AES for phase 1, 256. So we'll go phase 1, phase 2. So we got to go here. Encryption is AES 256, and it's the same on phase 2. So AES 256, right? Then it has SHA-1. So hash is SHA-1, and it's the same on both. SHA-1, right? Now, it says 2048 for the mode on both of them. So 2048, yeah. And the first one is 28880 seconds for phase 1 lifetime, and phase 2 lifetime is 3600 seconds. Done. Okay. Now, do we have anything on our advanced we have to do? Nope. So the network's done, that's done. Local gateway's done. I haven't done anything with full tunnel mode, so we're not going to touch that. Local identify of this is this same external IP address. So Untangle, there's a different on the non-firewall gateway. On the NFG firewall, it's a little bit different than the Arista 4.1 Micro Edge. So if I push save, after I put a description, to Micro Edge 4.1, if I save this, it should come up. And if it doesn't, we will troubleshoot that. So let's push done, and then let's go save. At least one network is defined. Oh, add a remote network. Burp. So we have to go 192.168.8.0. Does it like 24/24? Oh, no, it already does that. So let's go at this. Then go add. Now we can go save. And if we are lucky, we should be able to go back to status. Bring this down. There it is. Did it come up? Hey, did I make any mistakes? It says it's connected, but I don't see it. Status. Refresh. Why don't we see that? It says it's connected. Let's see if I can ping it. Ping 192.168.1.1. Nope. Let's see why here. It says connected right there. Shared secret. .1 is local. Let's turn this one off. See if that does anything. Status. It says inactive. Wonder why. Let's go back to here. Me thinks it's got to be this. Oh, I see how that is. I see the error right there, because it doesn't have GCM on the other one. Let's just double check that in a second here. AES 256 update, save. This should go green. What do you think, guys? There. It's exactly what it was. Just fumbling around. So let's go back to this. IpSec tunnels here. Encryption. Blowfish? So the Untangle version 16 NGFW does not have, and I'll show you what I mean here, what we see here, what I just found out. So let's go back to there. Interfaces here, Cipher Stutes. If we go back to here, it was set to AES 256 GCM, right? We see that here? If I can scroll this in. So it has AES 256 GCM, but the other Untangle firewall doesn't have a GCM. So we can only pick 256. I mean, it's up and working. That's fine. That's good. So let's go cancel, go dashboard. Let's make sure this is still up. I should be able to ping that address now. Yeah, and it's there. And just to verify that that is working, there is a firewall. I have to zoom out of here, guys. Sorry. We have to have a little bit. Actually, we'll just go like this, full screen. On the micro, we see DHCP. There's a box right here. So let's go copy. Little Lenovo M93, which is like a i5 5th gen, just a little tiny machine that I dropped on the network, connected to this, that I can remote to this for this exact perfect or issue. So let's go remote, and we'll go 104, and we'll go, I don't know if that's the right username. Oh, it's over here. Let's bring it over here. So it's working. That works. Now, I installed something that Shiny Tech Things showed me here. So let's go to speed test server. Start the server. Now, on the other side, I want to see if I can ping 8.1. So let's go back to this remote desktop. Let's go with this and go ping, or CMD, ping 192.8.168.8 point, sorry, 182. 182. Can we see it? We can't. Oh, I probably have ping turned off on my desktop. That's probably why. But let's just go like this then. So let's go. It says we can copy this port. Control C. And ping across. And let's see if we can do a speed test. Here it is. So on my workstation here, we have a speed test, open speed test. Thank you, big shiny tech guy. Actually, it's Shiny Tech Things, sorry, Brad. Him and I have been talking for a while. So if I push start, we should be able to see what the speed throughput is over this IpSec tunnel. Let's see. As it does that, I'm going to that's pretty good. Through an IpSec tunnel, that's pretty freaking good. I mean, I've seen better, but 150 by 150. .130 by 155. That's pretty good. I like that. That's a cool little tool. Thank you, Brad. So let's see if we go back to our graph to, oh, not this one. Where's the other guy? This one. We should be able to see what that just did. And interface right there. We see it go up. We saw that our 6 megabyte, not megabit, megabyte connection peaked up right here today. So that's pretty good. I mean, I'd be happy with using that over the network and having a good speed test over that. What else can I show you about that? So Micro Edge looks a little bit different, as we can tell. I got the black theme turned on. Really enjoy that black theme, so it looks nice. Let's go back to the dashboard here. 1 p.m. 6:30, right there. Huh. Yeah. Nice, clean, easy dashboard too. So, quick video, how to get IpSec working. I learned something there that they don't have that 1 bit of encryption in there. Maybe that'll be added to the new, sorry, I got the hiccups. Maybe that'll be added to the new version 17 of Untangle that's coming out soon. I might have to message Brian, one of the developers there, and say, hey, is this coming or not? But yeah, we got IpSec Tunnel set up on EdgeMicro. I learned something, and hopefully you guys like my videos. Like and subscribe. And maybe you guys should buy me some more of these so I don't have to keep buying them. I'm going to go play some more. You guys have a great night. See you later.